Example 17.10. In this example, we consider power transistors, which are commonly used in electronic devices. These devices consume large amounts of electrical power. The failure of electronic components increase almost exponentially with operating temperature. As a rule of thumb, the failure rate of electronic components is half for every 10 Celsius of reduction in the junction operating temperature. Therefore, the operating temperature of electronic components is kept below a safe level to minimize the risk of failure. The sensitive electronic circuit of a power transistor at the junction is protected by its case, which is a rigid metal enclosure. Heat transfer characteristics of a power transistor are usually specified by a manufacturer in terms to a case to ambient thermal resistances, which accounts for both the natural convection and radiation of heat transfer values. The case to ambient thermal resistances of a power transistor that has a minimum power rating of 10 watts is given to be 20 Celsius per watt. If the case temperature of the transistor is not exceeding 85 Celsius, we need to determine the power at which this transistor can operate safely in an environment which is kept at 25 Celsius. In order to solve this problem, we're going to assume steady-state conditions, one-dimensional in the x direction, constant properties, and we're going to neglect contact resistance.